So tonight we take the sleeper bus from Ninh Binh to Da Nang. I want to say it's something like 16 hours. And we've checked out of our hotel now for our homestay. You see me just trip on the sidewalk. It is 6 p.m. The bus should be here in about an hour and a half or 2 hours. And I think this is going to be the last of the water that I drink today. There's no toilet on the bus, but we do understand there is one toilet break and then also a stop to have breakfast. So there are 2 opportunities to use the bathroom during the 14-hour drive. I just don't want to chance anything. Not really sure what to expect in terms of comfort on the bus and the temperature, so I just decided to dress in layers. I've got just some comfy, lightweight trousers. I've got a couple layers here. I hate being cold, and so I would rather have a few layers, a scarf. I'll carry the jacket with me because it is raining, and so if we have stops where it's raining, then I'll be able to grab that, but we'll just have to wait and see what the conditions are like on board. Yeah, perfect. Here we go! So, not too shabby. We decided to go on the top because it looked like there was more room. The bottom bunks just looked a little bit dark, but we have a light, we've got charging port, and yeah, I think enough space to spread out for the next 14 hours. So one thing I was unsure about was if there would be any blankets or anything like that, and so they do provide a blanket for those of you who are worried about getting cold, like myself. Thin little comforter, which is fun. And there's a little built-in pillow. We're just stopped at Hue, and 2 more hours till we get to Da Nang. Made it! It just so happened we got dropped off just down that alley and our hotel is right here, so that's perfect. Our first view of the beach here. Cloudy this morning, but at least it's dry. I will say that I found the bus nice and quiet at nighttime. Sometimes you can be on public transport and people will be talking on their phone all night. They'll be listening to their music on blast. Our bus was mostly tourist, I would say, and so everybody just kind of like put headphones in or went to bed, so that was quite nice. So if you are able to sleep on moving transport like that, then I think you would enjoy it. If you have the chance and you're feeling up for it, then yeah, I would say check out an overnight bus. It saves you a night of accommodation. It's really nice to wake up in your location, and now we have the whole day to explore Da Nang.